Hey everyone! Welcome back to Maddie's Creative Corner. It's so good to have you here. Today, I'm going to be doing my non-dominant hand using the Femi Beauty, or otherwise known as Lazy Girl method, and we're going to be trying to make a nice pride theme design. So let's get started. As always, we're starting off with bare nails, and for today's video, I'm going to be using these beautiful clear tips. And the very first step is to just pick out the right sizes for each nail. These are in an oval shape and I really like them. They're very good quality and I think they're Korean. I got them from our local website. And before we get started with the look, I'm going to apply a base coat to all of the nails. So after picking out the first nail, I'm going to apply a layer of base coat to the fake nail as well. And this is mainly because I don't want to file it. And for the first nail, we're using this beautiful red color. I'm going to apply a good amount of polygel onto the nail. For this first nail, I misjudged it and I applied a bit too much, which I will remove later on. But that's really not difficult since polygel is so easy to work with. You're just going to apply it and spread it to the entirety of the nail. And then we're going to press it firmly onto the natural nail, making sure that it adheres on all sides. After the first nail has been cured, we're going to move on to the second one, and we're going to be following the colors of the rainbow. So for this nail, I'm going to be using this beautiful orange color, and I really like these polygels because they're very jelly and glass-like. I like them a lot. They look really cool and they really work well, and they also glow really well in the dark. So once again, we're going to be placing the nail onto our natural nail and curing it, and then moving on to the next one, and this nail is going to be green. I had to skip out on yellow so I could fit all of the colors onto my hand, but I added a few yellow designs onto the orange nail, as you will see later on, so it kind of makes up for it. This method is so simple and so easy when you're working with your non-dominant hand, so I would definitely recommend it for beginners. And as you can see here, the next color we're using is blue. This one sadly wasn't really well mixed with the pigment inside, and it looks kind of cloudy, but after the filing and the designs, I don't think it looks that bad, so I just kept it as it is. And for the last nail, we're going to be using this beautiful purple color. After all of the nails have been cured, we're gonna go ahead and start the filing. I just filed the shape in this instance because you don't really need to file the top of the nails, and if you want, you can take down the bulk of the nail from underneath with a nail drill. And we're moving straight into the design, and as you can see here, I'm once again using the colors of the rainbow, just adding a thin stripe onto my dish that I'm going to be using for nail art. And then with a very thin brush, I'm just going to be adding some abstract, like semicircular designs onto my nails. This is a pretty simple design. It's really nothing crazy, and I wanted to make it beginner friendly as always and easy to make for everyone. And I didn't want to take too much away from the jelly color of the polygel. I still wanted it to be transparent and for everyone to be able to look through it, kind of like a stained glass kind of thing. I really like it. And here you can see that I added the yellow color to make up for the missing yellow nail that I should have made if I had another finger, but I don't, so yeah. After that nail is done, we're gonna move on to the green nail, and I'm repeating the exact same design as you can see here. I'm pretty much repeating the same design for all of the nails, just using the colors that you can see right above and following the rainbow fashion. I also decided to add another small detail with a dotting tool, just 3 dots, one in the center and then 2 next to it. And following that, we're going to be using my favorite nail glue by Vanessa and adding some in the middle dot that we just made on each nail. And after applying a layer of top coat to all of the nails, we're going to be adding some beautiful neon colored rhinestones. I didn't manage to show you guys how I applied the top coat to this because I realized my hand was completely out of shot. So it's okay. You can see them here that we're adding some cuticle oil to nourish our cuticles. Doing your non-dominant hand is difficult, so don't mind me. And here you can see the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a bit different than usual and a little shorter, but I promise I will make it up to you guys next week. I really want to make another Pride themed video because happy Pride month for everyone. And yeah, please make sure to subscribe, like the video, leave a comment telling me what you thought, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!